video. So in today's video, I'm going to work on getting this window trimmed out, getting the vinyl put back on, so it'll look completely done except for this electrical box, which will be still open. I actually have to move this pipe, move this electrical box as part of this process. So it'll take me a little bit longer than I was hoping, but it's got to look right when I'm done. It's got to look nice and trimmed, not like all janky together. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as soon as the video's over, go check out some of the other content.